every time with some fiddling starts look better. Right now I think I came to the point when I can install the locks. It's such a nice. I already make kind of prototype. My favorite prototyping. Prototyping is my second name, or even first. Okay, so what I think, I just run with this. I just wanna figure out how far I have made this hole from the edge of drawer. Sometimes it's hard to imagine, so better just take a piece of scrap and make it. If you do it from the both sides, is nice edges from inside. Let's say I did. Of course, like usually, should be some questions or problems. First of all, it's this compartment for waste bin was so tight, so I don't know what I can do. It's hard to alter it. Maybe I just cut here, or I don't know, or cut the bin. I don't know yet, so this is something to solve. And second, I don't fit yet lock here because of this shelf. I have two options: alter this shelf and make this lock in line with others, it means 37mm from the top, or without altering this shelf make it lower. I don't know yet. If anybody have kind of idea which will be better, just share it, because I'm not pretty sure. And this is sample why you don't have to left masking tape too long, special outside, since in van is also, you see, this glue stay on the surface.